Welcome to the landing page of the Parish Boundary Map tool. On this page, you will find an introduction to the tool, followed by descriptions of territorial and personal, otherwise known as national parishes, both of which are represented on the map. Further down, you will find information about how to use this map. Please note that the boundaries represent the Archdiocese circa 1955, when a concerted effort was made to compile parish boundary information. Scrolling back to the top of the page, to access the map, either click the thumbnail in the top left corner or select the Open in Map Viewer button to the top right. You will be presented with a broad overview of the Archdiocese of Boston. To navigate, click and drag in any direction. To zoom in and out, either use your mouse wheel or the plus and minus buttons presented on the screen. To return to the default view, click the Home button. To find an address within the Archdiocese, use the box to the top right. As you enter the address, options will appear underneath. Select the correct one and it will automatically take you to that location. In this instance, 5 Union Park Street, Boston, falls within a purple parish boundary. Click anywhere within the boundary to find out which is the corresponding parish. In this case, the Cathedral of the Holy Cross. The box will provide the parish name and underneath the address of the parish church. Click the Zoom to link to see an outline of the entire parish boundary. Within the purple parish boundary is a purple dot. This represents the parish church. Click the dot to find out more about the church, including, once again, the address, the date of its establishment, and whether it is open or closed. If the parish no longer exists, the year of its closure will be included. There are several more dots representing churches within the parish boundary. These are in black. These represent personal or national parishes. Click on any of these dots to view similar information to that of the parish church, including the address, the date of establishment, and whether it is open or closed.